Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I'm here again. So, good morning to all of you. How's your day? For today's video, we make white rice with chicken. So, I need 5 pieces of garlic, then 1 big piece of onion, and I cut in a small square, then half chicken. Then the first tip guys is we fried first. We need olive oil, a small amount of olive oil. Then to be followed, the garlic. And to be followed, the onion. And we cover it 5 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back again. So, look, after 5 minutes, our onion and garlic is already brown. It's already fried, so it's ready to put the chicken, the half chicken. Guys, before I wash the chicken with salt to remove the smell. This is fresh chicken. So I put it guys. Then after that guys, I follow this. 1 dried lemon, 4 pieces cardamom, 2 pieces laurel leaves, and 2 pieces cinnamon stick. So now look, let's fry it. If the chicken is no more blood like that, and we put hot water, and we boiled it in 45 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back again. Hello, the chicken is boiling, so I put now the salt, a small amount of salt. Guys, this is white rice, so no need spices like that. Salt only and small black pepper, a small amount of black. Because if we put spices, the rice will become color yellow like that. And I put 1/4 tablespoon of ground ginger to remove this. 1/4 spoon. We mix now. All the seasoning is there, but I did not put more seasoning only black pepper powder and fresh ginger. Look, so now we need to wait 45 minutes. If the chicken is very smooth, we transfer the chicken there in the turbo like that. It's already 45 minutes. Look, our chicken is already smooth. So our next thing to do is look our rice. I will soak this in 1 hour so that the rice become layan. So now we like that. So I put there again, and we'll remove the chicken. It's very smooth na. So put there. And this is the soup of the chicken. So we need a strainer now, because this soup we put to the rice. Look like that. And look, still there. So we get 1 stick, and the garson we get it. We put here, and the black lemon glitter. So look, we need cardamom, 2 cardamom. Okay. And now look, there's already together. We mix it. Our next things to do is we cook our white rice. So when we cook to our rice, we need a very high fire to faster remove the water. So like that. It's our chicken now. Wow! So yummy, yummy, yummy. So I put this chicken to up of the rice. Look, that's our finished product. White rice and chicken. Wow, that's our finished product. Bye bye guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe me, Mariton'sMeals.